Welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we will be replacing the interior and exterior hose of a sprayer. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. For this video, you will need a wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some hot water. First, take the battery out of your sprayer to prepare for the hose replacement. Detach the exterior hose from the threaded connector and lay the sprayer on a flat surface. Taking the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 7 screws securing the front cover plate to the tank. 3 of the screws are located under the battery door. Before opening the sprayer up, take the wrench and loosen the nut on the exterior threaded hose connection. Take the nut off of the threads and set it aside. Next, open the front cover plate and locate the interior jumper hose by the diaphragm pump. Twist off the collar securing the interior jumper hose to the pump barb. Once the collar is off, tug on the interior jumper hose to disconnect it from the pump barb. To prepare the replacement jumper hose for installation, dip the end into a container of hot water for 1 to 2 minutes. Once enough time has passed, slide the collar onto the jumper hose and bring it up to the pump barb. Wiggle the end of the hose onto the pump barb and screw the collar back into place. To reattach the front cover, begin by taking the nut off the threaded connection on the new interior jumper hose. Line the threaded connection up with the hole on the front cover plate and slide it through while setting the front cover in place. Take the nut and hand tighten it onto the threaded connection. We will fully tighten it in a later step. Take the 7 front cover screws and secure the front cover plate back onto the sprayer tank. Next, use the wrench to tighten the nut onto the exterior hose connection. And finally, grab the new exterior hose and thread it onto the exterior hose connection. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.